So if you look at the way this pizza is cut, right? If this is the angle that we're kind of curious about because we're wondering about the length of arc AB, um, how much of that pizza do you think that is? And if you answered 1/3, you would be correct. And here they very conveniently told us that OC is 18. And OC is actually a pretty important line in the circle. Anyone want to guess what that's called? If you said radius, that would be correct. So we have radius is 18, and the formula for circumference of a circle should be memorized, but it's also available in a drop-down menu in your digital SAT. And the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. So because we know the radius is 18, we know that the circumference is 2 pi times 18, which is just going to be 36 pi. So if we know that 1/3 of the pizza is getting cut out, then of course we'll be taking 1/3 of that circumference, making the answer B. So if you didn't want to rely on that assumption, there are a few more steps to figuring out what exactly this angle is going to be. And actually it does take advantage of a very important rule that you want to keep in mind anytime you're talking about a triangle formed inside of a circle where two sides of the triangle are going to be radii. Does anybody want to guess what kind of triangle we're looking at here? Right, so if we have both of these as radii, then that must mean that they have the same length. So what you are looking at there is going to be an isosceles triangle. So if you have an isosceles triangle and they tell you that this is 30 degrees, then that means that this is 30 degrees. And if you have two 30 degrees, everybody has to add up to 180, so this guy is going to be 120. And so there's your proof that we are, in fact, looking at 1/3 of the pizza being cut out. So that should give you a little bit more confidence that the answer is going to be 12 pi.